and she's some of the symptoms that she's got is ADD, TMJ, just to kind of name a few, and some joint pain, which can all actually be caused by parasites. And literally, in just a couple weeks of doing a parasite cleanse, starting her on a parasite cleanse, she's actually starting to eliminate parasites. Some of my patients, it takes a little bit longer for them to start seeing parasites. So I'm very excited. So, needless to say, she just started this. So, no huge improvements just quite yet, but I'm so excited and really looking forward to seeing how she progresses and all of her results and things like that. So I'm really, really excited. And people don't realize that most of their symptoms are actually caused by parasites, and we all got them. If you've never done a parasite cleanse, guess what? You have parasites. Parasites can cause tons of issues. Any type of gut issue, bloating, colitis, diverticulosis, gastritis. H. pylori can be a secondary infection to parasites. Um, I've seen patients have chronic bacterial vaginosis from parasites in their uterus. Yes, and then they actually passed it out, um, not to sound gross, through the vaginal canal. And after getting rid of those parasites, their bacterial vaginosis went away. So what people don't understand is that parasites can cause pH imbalances. So, and what the when the pH imbalance is off, then things like bad bacteria, like E. coli, um, like H. pylori, things like candida can overgrow because the pH balance kills off the good bacteria and is a good way for bad bacteria and overgrowth of candida to take over. Okay. And a lot of times it's caused by parasite overgrowth, and these parasites cause an imbalance of that. So your chronic infections that you have might be secondary to a parasite infection, and that's why they keep coming back. So if you get chronic sinusitis, yeah, I've actually had a patient that actually had parasites in their nose and blew out parasites when I had them doing a neti pot nasal wash. And their parasites started, or their chronic sinus infections started going away once we handled the parasites. So kind of cool stuff. So we want to get to kind of the root cause of why you have your symptoms and help your body heal naturally. One of the things that I'm actually very, very excited about is that one of my good colleagues informed me and introduced me to a new company, and it is a holistic company that for and natural peptides. So peptides is naturally occurring in our body, and it's made up of amino acids. The amino acids are basically our building block for everything in our body, our cells, our organs, our tissues. So peptide or and then these amino acids, so they kind of clump together and they form peptides. So they're small chains of amino acids, and they're naturally occurring in our body. Um, they're important for a lot of different functions, for hormones. So if you have hormonal imbalances, we need peptides, and they can be you can have problems with peptides and with amino acids depending on what's going on with you. So we need it for the use of energy that we get from our foods. Peptides help with that, so utilization of the food properly and energy from our foods. It's important for digestion. Um, we need peptides for proper sleep. So if you have insomnia, or maybe you're overly tired and you're sleeping too much, could be that as well. It's needed for generalized healing. Peptides are needed for bone and muscle. Okay, so regeneration, healthy bones and muscle tissue. It's also can be used for weight loss. So some of you guys have heard of big companies and big medications such as Wegovy and Ozempic. These are synthetic forms of peptides. Okay. When you put something synthetic, it is a chemical and your body doesn't know what to do with it. All right. So what are some symptoms from using or side effects from using Ozempic, and Wegovy. These are pretty scary. Do you really want to be doing this? So you see all these commercials for, oh, it's good for weight loss and it helped me reduce my hemoglobin A1C and it's good for diabetes and I've lost 35 pounds. But guess what? There's tons of people are getting really, really saggy muscles because it's actually eating away the muscle mass because it's synthetic. Not only that, but there's a ton of side effects to this. Okay. So Wegovy and Ozempic can lead to thyroid C tumors. Okay. Medullary thyroid cancer risk. Okay. Really? It's causing cancer. And this is one of the side effects from using this. Okay. Kidney injury. Yeah, you can get kidney issues. Do you really want to go into kidney failure? Pancreatitis. So if you're a diabetic and you're using this, it can cause pancreatitis. The pancreas is the one that helps to regulate insulin levels. Okay, you already have an issue. Do you really want to be causing any more issues with your pancreas? Just saying, can cause gallstones, so cholelithiasis, gallstones, acid reflux and gastritis, so inflammation of the stomach, GERD, okay, diabetic neuropathy. So problems with your or retinopathy, I'm sorry, not neuropathy, retinopathy. So problems with your vision. Okay, so can lead to permanent damage of your eyes and your vision. Can cause nausea and vomiting, unexplained abdominal pain, can lead to diarrhea. These are just some of the side effects from using these synthetic peptides from Wegovy and Ozempic. Doesn't sound like fun, does it? So might want to reconsider. And you are seeing a lot of functional, functional and holistic practitioners are jumping on the Wegovy and Ozempic and weight loss clinics for this. Really? Not so much. So I am excited to be joining in on a new natural peptide company that will work with your body and not against it like these other medications. And it will be launching soon. So if you would like more information, comment peptide in the comment section. If you are a practitioner and you want to help your patients lose weight, feel better, have more energy, better sleep, comment in the section peptides and I will send you over information. Okay, it is launching. If you are a practitioner and would like to get involved and bring this on, it is free to join. It is the pre-launch. Okay, it is a pre-launch. Um, we're doing a pre-launch and we're doing this offer. Okay, and you get to join for free during this time. Once it launches, there is a membership fee, I believe. So if you would like to join for free and be able to learn about this new amazing product to help your patients and would like to join, mention it. If you are a patient and would like more information or a potential patient and would like more information about peptides, we can send you information about that. So just mention peptides in the comment section, guys, and I'll send over the information. All right. Have a wonderful night.